Hi, third graders. In today's lesson, you talked about using a concept web or a web map, and you talked about big ideas and how there are smaller ideas that go along with those big ideas. And for example, you talked about a bird. The bird was the big idea, and then the smaller ideas were all of the different kinds of birds that would go under that heading. So for your activity that you're going to do today, you're going to talk about the ocean. You have a bunch of words down here at the bottom that go along with the ocean. You're going to work with a partner and read through those words, and you and your partner are going to talk about what categories could I make with these different words. So you're going to, once you've decided with your partner and you've decided what categories to make, you're going to click the words and drag them to the category that you decided on. So maybe I have all of the things that I would use on a beach, and so I'm going to say a towel, and then I come down here and I could maybe need a blanket as well. Okay, so I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to put all of the things that would go with that subcategory in this circle. And then whatever my partner and I talked about for another category that goes along with the ocean, but maybe not things on the beach, I would put in this circle. And you're going to come up with 4 different categories. So all of these words should be separated into 4 different categories when you and your partner are finished. Have fun!